Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Sayani and welcome to yet another episode of Lightroom series. Yes, I am making this Lightroom series after a long time because I don't know why. So in this video I am going to share with you guys how I have edited these pictures, as you guys keep asking how I edit my sky pictures. Not sky pictures, the sky background wala pictures. So here is a little thing I want to clarify before we start. Okay, so I don't do the same editing with my every picture. Like every picture don't have the same background, the same lighting, and the same colors and all. So according to the picture I need to change the things, the editing, right? So I can't show how I edit my every picture. That makes no sense, because how can I show the every editing that I do? So this is the thing, I will be making Lightroom series in future also, so don't worry, but I can't show my every picture editing. And one more thing, if you are using Lightroom for the first time or you are a beginner, then I would suggest please go watch the part 1 of my Lightroom series. I will be link it down below. Also you can just tap on the I button. First go watch that video and then come here to watch this video, because in that video I had explained every features, the works of every feature, that like which features does what. I have explained everything in that video. So if you're a beginner, then that would be great if you first understand that which features does what, and then come back in this video and then watch this video. That will make more sense and you will get my point and you will get the idea of the basic editing. Now let's get into the video, but before we start I want to thank you guys for 20k subscribers. Yes, we are now 20k plus family, so this is huge. I just hit 10k I think 2 to 3 months back. I exactly don't remember. Thank you so much guys for subscribing to my channel and to supporting me and loving me so much. Keep supporting guys, I need this so much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing to my channel and join this family, and let's make this family more bigger. Also follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle and this is my Instagram feed, so follow me there too. And yeah, now let's get into the video. So first import the picture in Lightroom. Go to the all photo and open the picture you want to edit. Then first go to the light tab, and I am going to decrease the exposure just because the background is looking too bright. Like you can see the difference after increasing or decreasing the exposure. Change it according to your picture. Then go to the contrast, and I am gonna increase it a little just to add a little contrast in the picture, because it's looking too fika. Now I am gonna decrease the highlights fully so that the sky will appear more colorful and the clouds will be visible properly. Just see the difference after increasing or decreasing it. Now I'm gonna be increasing the shadows fully so that the main subject of the picture, which is me and the lips, will be properly visible. And then gonna decrease the whites to reduce the whiteness of the picture and to add a little color. And then to balance it, I am going to increase the blacks. Then go to the curve tab, which is right here, and I am taking the lower point up, which defines the shadows. It will make the shadows more exposed, and taking the upper point to the left side, which defines the highlights, it will make the highlights more exposed. These are for advanced light settings. Tab done, and go to the color tab next. And first I'm gonna be increasing the temperature of the picture very little to increase the warmth of the picture because it's looking too pale. Increasing the tint a little. After that, increasing the vibrance of the colors of the picture and increasing the saturation according to it. Then go to the color mix option, which is this one, and here you can edit every color separately. You can change the hue, saturation and luminance of the main colors of the picture here. The first color is red and I am going to be increasing the hue to make it a little orangish, and then going to increase the saturation to make the color more saturated, and then increasing the luminance to make the color lighter. The next color is orange, which defines the skin tone, and I'm going to be increasing the hue and the saturation very little, and then increasing the luminance to increase the brightness of the skin tone. Next color is yellow, and keeping the hue 0 but decreasing the saturation. You have to adjust them according to your picture, and then increasing the luminance to make the color brighter. Then comes green, increasing the hue, decreasing the saturation and also decreasing the luminance to make it deeper. Then comes sky, keeping the hue 0, increasing the saturation and decreasing the luminance fully, both of them. And then comes blue, decreasing the hue to make it a little teal blue kind of color. And then increasing the saturation fully to make the color more saturated, and decreasing the luminance to make the sky color more deeper. For violet and magenta, everything will be 0. Tap done, and then go to the effects tab, and here I'm gonna be decreasing the clarity a little bit. Also decreasing the vignette, it gives the corners or the borders of the picture a little blackish effect. You can totally skip this step. I'm doing this just because it is suitable for this picture. Then go to the details tab and increasing the noise reduction first. Then I am increasing the contrast and also increasing the color noise reduction, and I am done editing this picture. Now for the rest of the pictures, go to this 3 dot section and then tap copy settings. Then open any picture you want to edit in the same way and go to the 3 dot section again, and then tap on paste settings. Now as I said, every picture don't have the same lightings and all, so you might need to change some settings. So for this picture I am just going to decrease the exposure a little bit, and that's it. And for this picture I am going to decrease the exposure a little, and also the whites, because it was looking too bright and washed out. So yeah.
And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope it was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below. Do share this video as well. And follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. And yeah, see you on my next video. Bye.